It's here. The moment we've all been waiting for. That familiar white box arrives. You know what's inside. It's the latest iPhone. A piece of technology that promises to change the way we connect, work, and play. It's more than just a phone. It's a gateway to endless possibilities, a tool that integrates seamlessly into our lives. It's the culmination of months of rumors, leaks, and anticipation. Every detail scrutinized, every feature speculated upon. This is the start of a journey, a deep dive into the latest Apple tech. We've all been there. The excitement is contagious. It's a shared experience that brings people together. It's about being part of something new, something innovative. It's about exploring the cutting-edge features and seeing how they fit into our daily routines. The iPhone, with each iteration, promises a step into the future. And that first unboxing? It's a ritual, a moment of pure joy and discovery. That's where it all begins. The anticipation, the reveal, the first touch. That's why iPhone unboxing videos are so captivating. They capture that magic moment and let us relive it over and over. They tap into that shared excitement. They remind us of our own experiences and the thrill of new technology. They let us vicariously experience the joy of getting our hands on the latest and greatest. It's a celebration of innovation and the endless possibilities that come with it. The unboxing itself is a carefully choreographed experience designed to build anticipation and excitement. The satisfying peel of the plastic film, a moment that signals the beginning of a new journey with your device. The gentle lift of the lid, revealing the sleek phone beneath, is like unveiling a piece of art. It's a feast for the senses, a moment where sight, sound, and touch converge. There's the smell of new tech, a unique aroma that's both familiar and exciting, evoking memories of past unboxings. Then, there's the tactile experience, the first touch of the smooth glass and the cool metal frame. The smooth glass, the cool metal, the satisfying click of the buttons, each press a testament to precision engineering. It's about appreciating the design and craftsmanship that goes into every detail, from the curvature of the edges to the placement of the buttons. And let's not forget the sound, the subtle yet distinct audio cues that enhance the user experience. The crisp, clean sound of the power button being pressed for the first time, a sound that signifies the start of something new. The satisfying whoosh of the Apple logo appearing on the screen, a familiar sight that brings a sense of comfort and excitement. Every little detail is designed to enhance the experience, making each interaction with the device a moment to savor. Unboxing videos create a sense of community. We watch them and feel connected to others who share our passion for tech. We comment, we react, we discuss. It's a shared language, a way to bond over our love for the latest gadgets. Think about it. Millions of people around the world are unboxing the same device at roughly the same time. We're all eager to see what's new, how it works, and how it feels. Unboxing videos allow us to be a part of this global community. They let us share in the excitement and be among the first to explore the latest technology. YouTubers and tech influencers have turned unboxing into an art form. They bring their own personality and expertise to each video. They know what to look for, what to highlight, and how to make the experience entertaining. They offer insights, comparisons, and first impressions. They guide us through the features, the specs, and the potential of the new device. They help us understand why this new iPhone matters. Good tech reviewers build trust with their audience. They provide honest opinions, detailed analysis, and helpful information. This makes their unboxing videos not just entertaining, but also informative and valuable. Section 5. More than a product, the Apple ecosystem. An iPhone isn't just a phone. It's a gateway to Apple's ecosystem. It's about the apps, the services, and the seamless integration between devices. Unboxing videos often showcase this ecosystem. They show how the new iPhone connects with AirPods, Apple Watch, and MacBooks. They highlight the benefits of living within the Apple world. This aspect adds another layer of appeal to unboxing videos. They're not just about the phone itself, but about the possibilities it unlocks. Section 6. The allure of the new. Let's be honest, we humans are drawn to novelty. We love new things, especially when it comes to technology. Unboxing videos tap into this primal desire. They offer a glimpse into the future, a chance to experience the cutting edge of innovation. They fuel our curiosity and keep us coming back for more. Every year, Apple manages to create hype. They know how to build anticipation and make us crave the next big thing. And unboxing videos, they're the perfect way to satisfy that craving. Section 7. Beyond the hype, practical value. Unboxing videos aren't just for tech enthusiasts. They can be genuinely helpful for everyday consumers. They provide a visual guide to what's included in the box. They offer tips on setting up the device and exploring its features. For some, it's about making an informed purchase decision. Watching an unboxing video can help potential buyers decide if the new iPhone is right for them. Unboxing videos bridge the gap between marketing and reality. They offer an authentic, unscripted look at the product. Section 8. The enduring appeal. Why we keep watching. So, why are iPhone unboxing videos so popular? What is it about these videos that keeps us glued to our screens, eagerly awaiting the next release? It's a combination of factors that create a unique and compelling experience. The excitement of new tech, the sensory experience of seeing and hearing the unboxing, the sense of community that forms around these videos, the influential role of popular tech reviewers, and the allure of the Apple ecosystem, which promises seamless integration and cutting-edge innovation. These videos tap into our emotions and desires, making us feel a part of something bigger. They connect us with others who share our passions, creating a virtual community of tech enthusiasts. They inform us about the latest features, entertain us with the unboxing process, and keep us coming back for more with their engaging content. The next time you find yourself clicking on an unboxing video, remember this: you're not just watching someone open a box. You're experiencing the thrill of new technology vicariously. You're participating in a global ritual, a shared experience that transcends borders and cultures, a celebration of technology and the excitement it brings to our lives, uniting us in our love for innovation and progress.